My name is Patience Uwawa. We were taught on how to do home garden, or let me say garden at our veranda. And after that program, though I was already interested in little farming in my corridor before I attended that program, and since then it has been very beautiful and again, not just because I attended the program, made me to meet a lot of people there too that have other ideas on how to manage your little plants that you plant in your environment.
If I can have a small garden app, gives me this big crop from this little farm. If I have a bigger one, it will relieve me from all those little business and be focused on garden planting, because I can see that it will do well.
Love Garden has done so well, from planting in schools. Started from Love Garden, Iwere, which is at Clever Mind Primary School. We came to Dom Domingos, so Gedigbe at Ashelu community, different communities around Iwere Kingdom. Today we witnessed how the women from Achamimura community and from Ubuangwe community gathered together. Even some women from Iwere community joined. They came like 2, 3, 4 women. They heard and they just couldn't help but come. We see how Her Majesty handed over this gift pack in form of seedlings, like pumpkin seedlings, ugu, okra, tomato, garden egg.
What I had in mind then, what I know about was the use of ashes on it. Before we were taught that we can use waste pepper that has rotten. You can blend it with water and little liquid soap, and spray it on the plant that it make it to be resistant to insects that can destroy the plant.
To celebrate this Valentine's Day, my heart day for the women. They are my constituents, my first constituents. And my heart is for the women. My heart is for seeing how in this kingdom our women can be uplifted.
I'm so grateful and I will thank God, because I'll tell you, from the time this okra started bearing fruit, I have not gone to the market to buy okra to cook. And believe me, people around will testify, if not that most of them are not around. They ask for it. If I'm not ready to cook and I know I don't want it to go strong, I give it to them and they appreciate that we are all enjoying the benefit of what we got from Mama. I will encourage you, especially most of you that went to this training, the training that Mama gave us this thing on the 14th at Iwere College, which most of you said, garden, I thought it's money they want to check. The money I'm eating now from the garden, because what I've been eating from this garden now is more than what they would have given us that day. I have ugu in my farm, I have pepper, I have garden egg, I have okra. And as you can see, what is in my hand now, I just harvested it from my garden. There is nowhere in this town you will go to and you will get such big okra. It's not fertilizer. I nurture it to this stage. So I encourage women mostly. It will not disturb you from any other business you are doing. When you come back from your work, you go and check your garden and see how it's doing. If there's any little thing, that time we used to sit and gossip, waste our time away. We should use it to do something that will benefit you. I beg with women.
I appreciate the Olori for this thing, because first of me, I will go and plant my own, because this thing now will help me. I will not be buying food. I will not be going to market to buy all this and this vegetable. This thing is good for our health.
Her Majesty is committed to nurturing the women, nurturing the family, helping them to help and nurture their families.
I want to say a very big thank you to Her Majesty for bringing this initiative to our doorstep. At first, when it was announced, a lot of people were like, which one is corridor garden? But today, a lot of us that are serious with it, we the women of Iwere land, we are grateful for this beautiful initiative you brought to us. On behalf of the women of Iwere land, we like to say a very big thank you. A lot of people are benefiting from it, not only us that you taught how to go about this. And we say God bless you and give you more wisdom, more eye-opening for you to have more things to introduce to us, to make us know that we are useful to ourselves, our family, and to this great Iwere kingdom. God bless you, ma.